Everybody was minding their business. It was the most beautiful day. Bondi is buzzing from morning to night anyway, but when it's warm like that, beach is absolutely packed. Can you imagine that amount of people trying to get off the beach at the one time? It was just mayhem. People running, screaming, like a horror movie, basically.
Total disbelief in Sydney after yesterday's attack, which has left 15 people dead at Bondi Beach. Michelle, you were in the area, I believe.
I was about 200 metres away and I just left the beach, I think, 10 minutes beforehand. When I'd opened the balcony door, then you could actually hear the gunshots ringing out in the air. So it was very, very distressing, and helicopters were swarming around and the sirens were just going crazy for hours and hours after that as well. Bondi is just so full of energy and it's always just so fun, and none of us want to live so far away from our family or where we're from, but when you live somewhere safe like this and it's a really nice lifestyle and then something like this happens and it just, like today I've just been walking around, my stomach's been in a knot all day, just really anxious, your heart feels heavy. I've spoken to a few people on the phone, everyone's just really upset. It's just not something that we're kind of used to or like expect to happen, and just everyone's just devastated for obviously what's happened to those people, and that this is our little safe bubble and that bubble has now been burst.